Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, I'm gonna explain how to build a folder to structure your website, and you have to follow it because it will facilitate your job as a team, and also it's gain some marks. So first of all, we will create a folder for a project. Okay, this is the folder. The name should be, for example, group. Okay, let's say group section number, and then let's say group number, and you have to change this according to you. Here you have to, for example, say 1385, for example, group 1. You have to change it according to your group number. Inside the website folder, we have to create another folder. It's called images. Here we can put some photos or images for the project, and we will see how to do this later. And then I will add 4 documents. The first one, let's me do like this. The first one is index, and this is name is must for homepage, and then HTML. The second one for CSS styling, then it will be style dot CSS, and remove this extra work type. And this is also for JavaScript. Let's say script GS, and remove this extra things. And okay, this is for, let's say, list. Okay, the type will be XML. Okay, this is actually what we have. Well, what we need. Index. This is for home page, whether for single web pages. If you have multiple web pages, keep this as the main home page and add the remaining pages as you need. This is for XML. This is I think in the 4th phase of the project. This is the 3rd phase of the project, and this is for the 2nd phase. Anyway, you have to do this to maintain this structure. This will help you as a team to work together and to integrate your work. So if I want to connect all of them together, the first step to build the required document and folder. If I want, for example, let's say add some images here. Where is, I have some images here, I can use it. Let's say I have these images, and I wanted to note something. Okay, I just copy paste. First of all, make the name in English. It's important to make it in English. It will be useful for you if you make it in a meaningful name. So when I do this, I directly know this is for banner. This is, for example, for what? For IT. It is IT cafe. I know this is the same category. This is for logo, and this is for another category. When I work, it's easy for me to specify which image I can use. Another things I want you to know the dimension of the images. You have to take care of dimension, because sometimes you use big image and another is a small. When you try to make a styling, maybe the style will not work because the differences of the images. Where is organize, how to show it? Select non-inverts. view as a medium icon. No, I don't want this. Choose view as what? Details, content, large. Yes, see, this is big, this is big dimension, this is smaller, and this is maybe in the same dimension or smaller, and this is small, this is bigger. So this is this is sometime will affect your styling for the website. And this is taller, so you have to take this in your consideration. The dimension of the images, it will affect your styling. Okay, now we add images. Let's try to connect other links to this file. I will try to link scripts and style. I will go, for example, to, if you want to use Autumn, you can use it. If you want to use Notepad++, you can use it. But I prefer to use this Visual Studio. I will go here and open what? To open the folder. I will choose this. Where is my folder? Yes, this is my folder. Okay, I will select it, folder. I'm now in my folder. I will open HTML, and I will try to add to link the website. You can add the links here. I will say CSS links, add it here. No, not like this. Sorry. I want it as a commit. Okay, this is for CSS links. And then how can I link? First of all, I will open a style sheet. For example, I will add let's say testing. I will make something for testing, like for example changing background color into, for example, like this. This is only to check the link between index and style. Here what I can do, I will see link hereof link reference, I think reference. I will add this style. I will check this. I will check. I'm not sure about how to link CSS to HTML. Okay, this is for external. I will take it. Okay, this is style sheet, the type, and here I want to say style. Follow the link. It's okay. Yes. Type. Because it is in the same folder, so I just write the name of the link, the file, styling sheet, and then I will try to run the page to see. Okay, if it is come like this, that means the connection of CSS with HTML file, it's okay. So that's a great. So save. خلاص, this is okay. Let's see. I wanted to now to link HTML, not HTML, JavaScript. Here I will say JavaScript files. You can add it here to to increase the performance of the pages. The same idea. How let me check how to link GS to HTML. Let me check this. Okay, this is the code because we use external file. So this is the way of linkage. Before end, you just paste the link script. This is, I want my file. I will say scripts, script.js, scripts. Okay, and then to make test, what should I do? What to do? Okay, I will open this and I will try to write a simple scripting example. This, I will write this code. I will say, for example, let's say JavaScript is working. My GS is working. Okay, and let me see again, just to check if this is coming. That mean that mean JavaScript file is correctly connected to my index. So now it's okay. Still list, this is we will connect it later inshallah, but keep it in mind. Okay, I will do the formats. Okay, now it's excellent. Keep it in your mind. You have to keep the same name, the same organization to facilitate your job. And here you have to in head you have to add the links of CSS before the body closing tag. You have to add JavaScript. Why? To improve the performance. Imagine that we are a team. Imagine that we are a team of, for example, 3 students or 4, and we have to decide to work on a single web page. What can I do? For example, if I need first of all, I will create the web structure, and then we will exchange this file between us. After that, we can make like commits. This part, for example, nav, we will add the nav section here, for example. Okay, the footer here, for example, I will add footer. Okay, and then I will set in this place, I will add what I will add, for example, banner or landing page. Banner or landing page. And then if I use more than one section, I will say this is this, for example, for example, this is for section 1, section 2. Okay, for example, if you want, or let's say contact form section. Okay, I just using commit to specify the you can say the main section of the website. So I know that, for example, my task is to build nav and footer. I can simply work on that. I will, for example, add footer. Okay, and I will try to test it. Here the same, I will add envar. Okay, and I will try to complete the work. After that, if my friend wanted to integrate or add her work to my work, what can I say, or what can we do? Okay, my part is okay. For example, if she work on a landing page, you will copy her code and put it here. If she has, for example, contact form, you will copy her code and put it here, paste it here. and try to make test for the integrated code. This is one option. For example, in CSS also you can use comments. For example, you will say this is for general section, this is general styling, anything general, put it here. Here, for example, you can say this is for example for nav section. This is styling for nav section. For example, this is for header, or let me take, I'm just using commit to specify the layout of the web page or styling, just for integration, to facilitate integration. Right, let's say again, no, this is general. Okay, I will the commits like this, no, it's like this and like this. Okay, this is for nav section. The same thing I will do for the remaining things. طيب okay, so when you work طيب, and this is for footer. Okay, this is the main section. For example, if you want later you can add something. For example, you want some styling for image, some styling, for example, for table if you use it. So it's up to you, but at least use commit to clarify your code. If you do something, for example, if I work on general, I put general styling here. If I work on nav, put the styling here. If your friend work on banner, she have to put her style here, and you have to work together to see whether her styling affects negatively or positively in your style or not. لأنه يا بنات عملية دمج CSS ترى ما هي بسيطة، لأنه ممكن هي تسوي ستايلينج هو يخرب على الستايل اللي انت سويتيه، أو انت تحطين شيء يخرب عليها. فلازم هنا تحتاجون فيما بعد لما تركبين ستايلاتكم انه تفكرون مع بعض ايش الستايلات اللي مشتركة وايش الستايلات المختلفة، وتحاولون توفقون ما بيناتها. Okay, so you have to expect here some problems or some issues. طيب, for JavaScript, if you need, I think the JavaScript you will not need much JavaScript, so it's easy for integration. For XML, later we will explain how to integrate your work. But please keep it like this. This will facilitate your job. What else? This is the important things I can say about websites, structure, and the integration. Keep it in your mind. This will gain some mark. If you don't follow this structure, I will ask why, and I will cut some marks. Okay, this is for today. I hope you understand what I want to say and do it. Thank you so much.